And welcome to Ronald Hadrian channel. So I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about how to learn quickly using the Feynman technique. So stage number one is set the stage. What's the topic you want to learn? Make sure what you want to learn. Then write down the topics at the top of the page and write down everything you know about it. Then go ahead and read and research on the topic. Add any new learnings or insights as you develop them. So next is step 2. Here's where it gets unique. Attempt to explain the topic to someone without a base understanding. That is like a child. If you can teach that topic to a child in the easiest manner, then probably you understand it. Use simple language right now. Okay? And so next step number 3 is assess and study. Reflect on your performance. Form an honest assessment. How well were you able to explain the topic to a child? Make a connection. So these are the gaps in your understanding. So read and study more to fill them now. So the last step 4, organize, convey and review. Now organize into a beautiful, elegant, simple language. Also a compelling story or narrative will always be useful. So review a new, deep understanding of the topic. Always remember, simple is beautiful, but at the same time, you have a clear understanding of the topic. Try this. For more such content, subscribe to this channel. We are going to bring you a lot of software reviews, how to study, how to talk, and all that. And whatever I'm learning, I'm going to keep sharing it with you guys. So please support us. Thank you so much.